Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get an American Express card. All right, let's begin. Before applying, ensure you meet the basic eligibility criteria. You must be at least 18 years old, possess a valid social security number, and have a good to excellent credit score, typically 670 or higher. You should also gather your personal income details and employment history, as the portal requires this data. First, navigate to americanexpress.com in your web browser. Hover your cursor over the cards option in the top navigation menu and select View All Credit Cards from the list. Browse through the available options, filtering by categories like travel rewards or cash back. Once you select a card that matches your needs, click the Apply Now button. Complete the formal application form by accurately filling in your full name, home address, date of birth, financial details, and income source. Review your entries carefully and submit the form. The system usually gives an instant decision. An approved physical card shipped directly to your home within 7 to 10 business days. So that's basically how you can get an American Express card. That's it for this video. Thanks!